Samsung Galaxy A7 2018, and let me show you how to enter here the save mode on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by pressing the power key, keep holding power button. From the following options, let's hold down on power off. The following picture should pop up. Let's tap save mode. Let's wait until the save mode pops up on the screen. Excellent, as you can see, the save mode is right here, so you can unlock the device and check out how your device works without the third-party apps. And if you would like to simply quit this mode, let's press power key, choose restart and tap restart again. Wait until your device will be ready to use. Excellent, the home screen pops up, so you can unlock the device and start using your phone in a normal way. So thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.